got you! Of course, a guard's work. I saw you sneaking around the cargo box. Fine, come on then. But I'm warning you, don't get any funny ideas. Of course, a guard's work is... What's going on?
Requesting support! We need support!
If you're willing to go to the east of the city and help my friend, I can stay here and deal with this fire. Thank you, adventurer.
If this got anything to do with... Please! Help me put out these flames before the fire spreads to the nearby houses! If this got anything to do with... During my patrol, I noticed these machines behaving strangely. If this got anything to do with The headquarters of the Alchemist Guild are located in the northeast part of Aldebaran.
No one can resist. And you suspect that this has something to do with the Alchemist Guild. I am Raymond Alberto, a member of the Alchemist Guild. Please, tell me where the incident took place. All right, no time to waste. Let's set off now. No one can resist that the traces of divine power in these corpses are unmistakably from the fragment of Ymir's heart. Adventurer, please take a look through the book next to me. Within it, you'll find an entry regarding soul summoning. No one can resist. If whoever is capable of mastering such advanced forbidden magic is from Aldebaran, let me give you some advice, adventurer. Trying to understand a madman. Can it be? Do you also covet the power of the fragment of Ymir's heart? Please, return to where the other fires occurred. Find the damaged machines and look for the chips engraved with the Rekender Company logo implanted in their heads. No one can resist the darkness in their soul. No one can resist.
Member number RX7.
No one can resist the darkness in their... Long time no see, hey.
I only have 3 minutes to spare, Raymond. You're the one who's asking me for help, so maybe you should start...
As you wish, milady.
I'll help you gain permission for entry into the clock tower. But remember...
That's to be expected. The Alchemist Guild and Rekender Company.